What is an equation? An equation is an equality is equals to between two mathematical terms or expressions. Now, for example, 5x is equals to 20. 5 is a constant and x is a variable. Both combined we can call as a term, right? And 20 is also a term. Which type of term it is? Right, constant term. And these two are separated by the symbol. What is that symbol? Right, equals to. So what we can call this as an equation, right? 5x is equals to 20. Next, one more example. Y plus 3. Y is a variable and it also can be called as a term. 3 is a constant term. These two are separated with the symbol plus. So what we can call this? Expression, right? Is equals to 9. 9 is a term. Which type of term? Constant term. So it also can be called as an equation, right? One more. 2p. 2 is a constant, p is a variable. Both combined can be called as a term. Minus 6. 6 is a constant term. Now 2p minus 6 can be called as an expression, right? 10 is a constant term. Now 2p minus 6 is equals to 10. What we can call this? Equation. Okay. Note. An equation is true only for certain values of the variable in it. It is not true for all the values of the variable. Now we are going to see some examples. For example, y plus 3 is equals to 9. Y is a variable, 3 is a constant. Now these two are separated with a symbol plus. So what we can call this? Y plus 3 is an expression is equals to 9. So equals to symbol is there. So what we can call this? Equation. Okay. Now here I am going to consider y is equals to 6. I am going to substitute in the equation. So instead of y I am going to substitute 6. So 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. So 6 plus 3 how much? Right, that is 9 is equals to 9. So what we can say? It is satisfied, means true. Now the same equation, y plus 3 is equals to 9. Now instead of y I am going to take 7. Previously what I took? 6. Now what I am going to take? 7. 7 plus 3 is equals to 9. Is it? What we can get 7 plus 3? Right. 7 plus 3 is 10. Is 10 is equals to 9? Huh? Not equal. So what we can say? It is false. It is false. So by basing on this we can say that it is true only at y is equals to 6. So what we can say? It will satisfy some condition. It will not satisfy in some conditions. What is an identity? An equation which is true for every value of the variable in it is called an identity. For example, a into a plus 1 is equals to a into a. What we can get? A square plus a into 1. What we can get? A. Here we can see one more example. P plus 2 into p plus 3. So multiplied p into p can be written as a p square. P into 3 can be written as a 3p. 2 into p can be written as a 2p. 3p plus 2p, what we can get? Right, 5p. 2 3s are 6. Right, now what we got the equation? P square plus 5p plus 6. Now we are going to do verification. For example, a into a plus 1 is equals to a square plus a. Now we are going to take a is equals to 2. Instead of a, we are going to substitute 2. Okay. So I am going to substitute 2 into 2 plus 1 is equals to a square, in the sense 2 square plus 2. Now what we can get? According to the BODMAS, first we have to solve the bracket. 2 plus 1 how much? 3. 2 into 3 is equals to, here what we can get? 2 square, in the sense 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 2. Right? Now see, 2 3s are what we can get? Right, 2 3s are how much? 6 is equals to 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Okay. Is it true or not? Right, because LHS is equals to RHS. Now we are going to take A is equals to 5. Now we are going to substitute A is equals to 5 in the equation. So what we can get? 5 into 5 plus 1 is equals to 5 square plus 5. According to the BODMAS, first we have to solve inside bracket. So what we can get? 5 into 5 plus 1 how much? Right, 6 is equals to 5 square means? Right, 5 5s are 25 plus 5. I think we already know 5 6 are how much? Right, very good. 5 6 are 30. Now 25 plus 5 how much? Right, 30. Now is it true? Yes, it is true, because LHS is equals to RHS. So what we can say? It is true every value of A. Okay. Standard algebraic identities. We shall now study the standard algebraic identities, which are very useful to factorize and simplify the polynomials. These identities are obtained by multiplying a binomial by another binomial. Square of an algebraic expression. The square of an expression consisting two or more terms is an expression multiplying by itself. Now we are going to see some examples. A plus 5 whole square. So what we can get? Right, very good. A plus 5 into A plus 5. Because it is repeating 2 times. So that's why we written A plus 5 into A plus 5. Now we are going to do one more. P minus 8 whole square means what we can get? P minus 8 into P minus 8. Now we are going to see one more. X plus Y plus Z whole square. Now this entire equation is repeating 2 times. So what we can write? X plus Y plus Z into X plus Y plus Z. Algebraic expressions and identities. The identities. That's the identity 1. A plus B whole square. What we can get? Because A plus B is repeating 2 times. So what we can get? A plus B into A plus B. Right, first we are going to do A into A can be written as A square. Next, A into B can be written as right, AB. Next, B into A can be written as BA plus BA. Next, what we can write? B into B can be written as plus B square. Right? A square. Here we can see AB plus BA. According to the commutative property, AB is equals to BA. Right? Here the same variables but the order is differ. So what we can get? AB plus AB can be written as right, plus 2AB plus B square. Right? Therefore, A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is your first identity. Now we are going to do verification. A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Now let us take A is equals to 2 and B is equals to 1. Here we can see A plus B whole square is in LHS side is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square is in RHS side. Now we are going to substitute, right, LHS side and RHS side. Now what we can get? A value is, what is the value of A? Right, A is equals to 2. I am going to substitute 2 plus 1 whole square. So according to the BODMAS, 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So 3 whole square. 3 whole square means 3 into 3 is equals to what we can get? Right, that is 9. Now we are going to do RHS side. 2 square plus 2 into A value is 2, B value is 1 plus B value is 1 square. Right? Now you can see 2 square in the sense 4 plus 2 2 0, 4 into 1. So what we can get? 4 1 0, 4 plus 1 square in the sense 1 into 1 can be written as a 1. Now you can add 4 plus 1. What we can get? Right, that is 9. So what we can say? LHS side is equals to RHS. So therefore it is true every value of A and B. Identity 2. A minus B whole square is equals to A minus B into A minus B. So what we can get? A into A can be written as a, right, A square. Next, A into minus B can be written as a minus AB. Next, B into A can be written as a minus BA. Right, very good. Next, B into which B? Minus B. Minus B into minus B. What we can get? Minus into minus. Minus into minus. What we can get? Right, that is plus b into b can be written as a b square. So plus b square, right? A square. Here we can see, here we can see minus AB minus BA. According to the commutative property, what we can write? AB is equals to BA. So instead of BA, can we substitute AB? So minus AB minus AB. If both are negative terms, so what we have to do? We have to add. But the symbol is negative. So minus 2AB plus B square. Right? Therefore, A minus B whole square is equals to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Now we are going to verify the second identity. A minus B whole square is equals to A square minus 2AB plus B square. So now let us take A is equals to 5 and B is equals to 3. A minus B whole square is in the LHS side and A square minus 2AB plus B square is in the RHS side. Right? Now we are going to separate LHS side, RHS side. Now I am going to substitute A value is equals to 5 and B value is 3. I am going to substitute in the LHS side. What is the LHS side? We have A minus B whole square. Means what we can get? Right, 5 minus 3 whole square. So 5 is a positive term and 3 is a negative term. So 5 minus 3, what we can get? Right, that is 2 plus 2. Here you can see 5 is the largest number and 3 is the smallest number. For largest number, what is the symbol we have? Right, plus. So that's why we got 5 minus 3 is equals to plus 2. Now 2 whole square. What we can get 2 square? Right, that is nothing but 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Now you are going to substitute in the RHS side. In the RHS side, what we have? A square minus 2AB plus B square. So substitute A is equals to 5 and B is equals to 3 in the RHS side. So what we can get? 5 square minus 2 into 5 into 3 plus 3 square. 5 square means 5 5 0 25 minus 2 5 0 10. 10 into 3 10 3 0 30 minus 30 plus 3 square means 3 3 0 9. So what we can get? Plus 9. Now according to the board mass, we are going to do. What is the result we got? Right, very good. The result is 4. So what we can say? LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, it is true every value of A and B. Identity 3. What is the identity 3? Right, that is A plus B into A minus B is equals to the same terms you can write A plus B into A minus B. So what we are going to do? A into A. So A into A can be written as A square. Next, A into minus B can be written as a minus AB. Next, B into A can be written as a plus BA. Next, what we can write? B into minus B plus into minus minus B into B can be written as a minus B square. Here we can see that minus AB plus BA. According to the commutative property, AB is equals to BA. AB is equals to BA. Order is differ, right? But what we can say, AB is equals to BA. Both are same. So what we can get here, minus AB, here plus BA. Both are going to get cancelled, right? What we can get now? What are the leftover terms? Right, that is A square minus B square. Okay. Therefore, what we can say? A plus B into A minus B is equals to A square minus B square. Right? A plus B into A minus B is equals to A square minus B square. Let us take A is equals to 10 and B is equals to 6. Right? Here we can see that A plus B into A minus B is in the LHS side and A square minus B square at RHS side. Now we are going to make two different sets. The first set is LHS side. What is the LHS side? We have A plus B into A minus B. Previously we discussed. Next, what is the RHS side? A square minus B square. Right? Now substitute A is equals to 10 and B is equals to 6 in the LHS side. Now I am going to substitute. A value is 10 and B value is 6. So 10 plus 6 into 10 minus 6. According to the BODMAS, you have to solve first bracket 1. So 10 plus 6, what we can get? Right, that is 16. 10 minus 6, right, that is 4. Now 16 into 4, what we can get? Students, once try it without using calculator. Right, very good. That is 64. Now we are going to do RHS side. Now I am substituting the values. 10 square minus 6 square. 10 square in the sense? Right, that is nothing but 100. 6 square in the sense 36. 100 minus 36. Students, can you try it? Right, very good. The answer is 64. Now you can see LHS is equals to RHS. Both are equal. Both are equal. So what we can get? LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, it is true every value of A and B. Identity 4. What is the identity 4? X plus A into X plus B is equals to the same. I am going to write X plus A into X plus B. Now see, X into X. What we can get? X into X. Right, that is X square. According to the identities, you can say A power M into A power N is equals to A power M plus N. Means X power 1, X power 1. 1 plus 1, what we can get? 2. So that's why X square. Next one is X into B. Can be written as a? Right, XB. Next, A into X can be written as a plus AX. Next, A into B can be written as a plus AB. Okay, what we got the equation now? X square plus XB plus AX plus AB. Now see, X square plus, in these two terms, what we can take common? Right, the common term is X. What are the leftover terms? B plus A. So what we can write? X into A plus B or B plus A. We can write plus AB. Therefore, X plus A into X plus B is equals to X square plus X into A plus B plus AB is identity 4. Right? Now we are going to see verification. x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Let us take x is equals to 3, comma a is equals to 4 and b is equals to 2. Now we are going to substitute these values in the identity 4. Here we can see that x plus a, x plus b is in the LHS side and x square plus x into a plus b plus ab is in the RHS side. Right now I am going to make two separate blocks. The first one is LHS. What is the LHS side? Right, previously I said x plus a into x plus b is in the LHS side. Now what is in the RHS side? What we have? Right, very good. X square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Now I am going to substitute these values in the equation, that is LHS side. 3 plus 4 into 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 4, what we can get? Right, that is 7. 3 plus 2, what we can get? 5. Now students, can you calculate and say what we can get? 7 into 5. 7 5s are? Right, very good. 7 5s are 35. Very good. Now we are going to do RHS side. We are going to substitute the values. 3 square plus 3 into 4 plus 2 plus 4 into 2. 3 square in the sense? Right, 9. We are going to substitute the values. 9 plus 3 into 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 how much? Right, 6. 6 into 3. 6 3s are 18. Very good. Plus 4 2s are 8. Very good. Now you can add a plus 18 plus 8. What we can get the result? Right, very good. That is 35. See, you can see LHS side 35, RHS side 35. So what we can say? LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore, it is true every value of x, comma a and b. Okay.